raised, it's where I'm from. And you can never turn the page, it's where I'm stuck. Forever here, can't get enough. This is my home, it's where I roam. This is the place that I was raised, it's where I'm from. And you can never turn the page, it's where I'm stuck. Forever here, can't get enough.
Face with a beer in my hand, sitting on a mountaintop with my friends, thinking, damn, this is God's country, man, and it's the place that I was raised. And if life was a book, you know I'd never turn the page. I'm feeling homesick, I miss my dogs, I miss my fam, I miss the country roads, yeah. And I know you understand, every time I return, I take a sign, just relax. This is my home, I'm back on track. This is my path, this is my route, this is my stage. And there's an animal in me that really wants out of the cage. Cause I never feel free unless my feet firmly planted on a mountainside, looking down from an Niagara. Yeah, you can call me corny and that might just be. But then maybe you've never been to the heart of the Kootenays. No, maybe you've never seen the peaks, valleys, or lakes. So maybe you wouldn't know how that atmosphere tastes.